Many people will tell you that having your car detailed is the same thing as having it washed. That's the same as calling Clifford the Big Red Dog a puppy. Typically, car detailing packages will include a number of different services. Some of the ones that you'll often find in a base package include exterior wash and polish, interior shampoo, cleaning of the windows and mirrors, addition of tire shine, makes them look new again, and in some select cases, an engine shampoo. The more advanced packages include more advanced techniques like clay bar treatments or touch-ups to small scratches or paint chips that may have occurred while you were on the road. Normally, body shops and dealerships will offer a number of different packages with a number of different services included. For example, all of our body shops offer a smoke bomb treatment. Now that's designed to get rid of the cigarette smell from inside of your car. It's not included on all of our detailing packages, but it can be added for an extra fee. As with many things, the cost of your package and the time it takes are determined by many different factors. In this particular case, the size of your vehicle and the thoroughness of the cleaning both go into determining how long it's going to take and how much it's going to cost. Larger vehicles, obviously, they take more time and more product, so they will cost more, but at all Drive Auto Group dealerships, we have a 3-tier system broken down into SUV and car so that you know how much you're paying up front. It's important to remember that the larger your vehicle is and the more thorough a job cleaning it that's being done, the longer it's going to have to remain at the dealership. Now, even the smallest detailing packages can take up to half a day to complete, but a large vehicle with a thorough cleaning is likely going to need to be left for the entire day and possibly overnight. At Drive Auto Group, we suggest having your car detailed once a year so that all the dirt and grime that's built up can be wiped away, as well as significantly decreasing the chance of infestation. Rodents and insects can be attracted to the crumbs that fall into your carpet, and a thorough detailing can get all of those places that you can't get to on your own, making sure your car is not filled with creepy crawlies. Once you've decided to get a detailing package done, please remove any personal belongings from the vehicle so that our team can give it a complete and thorough cleaning without working around any of the things that may have been left behind.